Parrots are colorful and intelligent birds and known for their ability to mimic sounds and learn tricks. Here are 15 interesting facts about parrots that you may find surprising. 1. Exceptional mimicry. Parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and other sounds. Some species, such as the African gray parrot, are particularly skilled at imitating complex sounds and voices. 2. Tool users. Some parrot species, including the Kia parrot from New Zealand, are known to use tools. Kias have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark. 3. Zygodactyl feet. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes facing forward and 2 toes facing backward. This foot structure provides a strong grip and excellent dexterity, enabling them to manipulate objects and climb with ease. 4. Colorful plumage. Parrots are famous for their vibrant and diverse plumage. The colors serve various purposes, including attracting mates and camouflage in their natural habitats. 5. Long lifespan. Many parrot species have long lifespans, with some living well over 50 years in captivity. The lifespan varies among species and can be influenced by factors such as diet, care, and genetics. 6. Monogamous bonds. Some parrot species form strong monogamous bonds with their mates, staying together for life. They engage in activities such as mutual preening and feeding to strengthen their bond. 7. Highly intelligent. Parrots are among the most intelligent bird species. They are capable of problem solving, understanding abstract concepts, and even using logic. 8. Social creatures. Parrots are social birds that thrive on interaction. They enjoy the company of other parrots and may form close bonds with their human caretakers. 9. Excellent flyers. Parrots are strong and agile flyers. They are known for their acrobatic flight patterns and can cover long distances in search of food and suitable habitats. 10. Unique vocalizations. Parrots have a wide range of vocalizations, including squawks, whistles, and screeches. These sounds serve various purposes, from communication within a flock to expressing emotions. 11. Seed eaters. In the wild, parrots primarily eat seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetation. Their powerful beaks are well adapted for cracking open hard shells and nuts. 12. Courtship displays. Parrots engage in elaborate courtship displays, showcasing their vibrant colors, puffing up their feathers, and performing various dances to attract a mate. 13. Keen sense of taste. Parrots have a well-developed sense of taste, and they use their tongues to manipulate food in their mouths. Some species are known for their culinary preferences and may be picky eaters. 14. Clever tool users. besides Kia's, other parrot species, like the New Caledonian crow, have demonstrated tool use abilities. They use sticks and leaves to extract insects from tree bark. 15. Vanishing species. Some parrot species are critically endangered due to habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and other human-related activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these beautiful birds. These facts highlight the unique features and fascinating behaviors of parrots, making them cherished companions and subjects of scientific study.